So just have the unit all taken apart. Just remove it, the broken USB port, and I'm gonna be soldering the new jack, doing a little cleanup, and I think we will be ready for rock and roll. And just in case, that's the whole internal of the MPK MiniPlay. Here looks like we have the main processor, the ROM itself. Here is a controller somehow. On the other side here we have the knobs that looks like the adjustment parts, the display, all the pads and the switches along that little path key there that has the adjustments, the keyboard, the top part, and I'm gonna be soldering the jack right now. And here are the new jacks. I'm gonna leave the link just in case you guys want to buy those two on the description. And they are really cheap on Amazon. So looks like line. Yep, all the pins are on place, even the grounds. So let me just solder in here and I will be back. And here we have the new jack already in place, resoldered, board cleaned. And looks like it's ready to get back together. Okay, this board is back in place. Now just get all those screws, and I think so we'll be ready. And a little tip for you guys, where goes these little screws? They have marks on here. Those have screws that goes in the board, and those other ones are those that goes through the case and gets down. So whatever you see marked screws, like here, down here, here, down there, there, those are screws. So flat cable's back, the other flat cable, all those screws are back. So just get the back cover now. And before we finish to put everything together, just make sure that the USB port is working. And looks like so. Let's just connect and put together and connect on the main computer, do firmware updates and whatever needs to be done, and one more get back to life. So it's fixed and is right now connected to the computer. As can be seen here, powered by on the USB port. And if I get on here, let's just grab my mouse here. And let's just turn off the internal sounds. Let's just grab another instrument. And one more, if I disconnect the USB, it will shut down. And one more instrument safe and in the collection. By the way, I got that little bad boy for 20 bucks because they have a broken USB port. Now back in the box for now. I'm not gonna be using. That's USB key that comes with. And that's it.